So the last time I did this, it was 105, okay? The last time I did this, it was 105. All right, I got to detail out. I got to detail out, all right, this test. Um, okay. All right. Ready, set, go. All right, so we have a box. Da 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 da. Obviously, it has to be this one. Yes. Okay, next. All right, so here we have 4 dots, 4 dots, 4 dots, star, 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 circle, 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 plus, 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 diamond, diamond. So diamond box, diamond box, diamond box, diamond box. Yes, that's E. All right, so we have circle, 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 circle. If you beat 105 Alcindona, okay. I'm expecting 95, okay? So oh, so it's like the one that's missing, right? So we need an empty triangle. That's F. All right. Here is so it's like a volume slider, right? So right to left, middle, left, right, middle, left, right, top, middle. It has to be bottom, and it has to be vertical, right? Boom. Okay. So we have an arrow pointing this middle arrow, middle arrow. It's rotating 45 degrees every time. So 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. So it would therefore have to be D. Okay. So here we have da 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 da. All right, we have uh okay, so it's adding that way. All right. Hmm. So, whoa, wait, oh, okay, I see. So it's like it's adding like a snake, right? It's like adding like adding here, and adding like a snake here, right? That I'm trying to, but then this snake is going like this? Wait, but then if it's going this way, right? If the snake is going this way, then it has to be a full E. Yeah, okay. I think. Okay, so yeah, so we have a box here. Oh God, these are getting harder. Um, oh, right. Oh, oh, I see. Okay. Um, so we have a square here, so diagonal, 2 squares here, diagonal, triple, diagonal, this. So, what? But then what would be here? It can't be this. That I know for sure. Oh, can't be this. I don't think it's this. No, I don't think it's this either, because it's growing. The blocks, there has to be 5, right? There has to be 5. Wait, it's rotating. It rotates here, and then 2, it rotates here, and then 3, it rotates here, and then 4, it rotates here. So therefore, it should be 5, and it should rotate here, right? It's E. Okay. So it's like a rotation adding diagonal, okay? Um, wait, hold on. So this is like this, like this. So curving down, curving up, pointing forward. Wait, is this the pattern? It's like pattern. So this is like what? 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 I'm so confused. Oh my God. Wait, hold on. You add 2 circles here and it turns into this. But what if it's a false flag? What if it's there to fool me? But you turn this around and it turns into this. Wait, but you turn this around and it turns into this? Wait, but then there's no pattern with the first column? But these are always turning around, right? It has to be C. It has to be. Okay. So we have dot 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 at the bottom. So therefore the dot has to be on the right, right? Because the dot has to be identical. So it has to be either D or A. However, it seems like the square is moving. So square moves down, left, down, left. Okay, yeah, down, left. It's always down, left. So therefore it has to be uh um D. Yes. Okay. So we have arrows. We have arrows pointing this way, and then pointing this way, and it rotates. Okay, so like it's a rotating arrow. It keeps on rotating to keeps on rotating counterclockwise, right? Yeah. So it's D. Okay, so here we have circle, circle, circle. Oh, okay, so it's like 4 squares at the same time. So we have oval, 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 right? Oval, oval, oval. So it has to be a horizontal oval, sure, but there shouldn't be a square because square is this quadrant right here. And so what else is inside of here? Oh, it has to be solo, so it's A. So here we have uh um we have like a square, square. Um, mm, so is that rotating? Yeah, the arrow's rotating, right? Yeah, sorry, I'm not looking at chat. Okay, so here rotating, 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 rotating. Has to be that. It has to be A. It just has to be A because there can only be one gray per row, right? Okay. Um, so we have oh, so it's like diagonals again, right? I don't know why this ball is here. Okay. So we have circle, triangle, square. Circle, so it has to be triangle. It has to be triangle. It has to be a filled-in triangle. Okay? Oh my god, Black Tyrone triangle fuck my mom. Okay, hold on. So this is it has to be diagonal this way, diagonal this way. So therefore, should it be diagonal this way with a circle? Should it be C? But then what about the other ones? Like, what about oh, it's like whatever one that is missing. It's like Sudoku. It's like Sudoku. It's like Sudoku, right? So diagonal, it should be like, yeah, but then here, it's like there should be a circle here. Right. Okay, so my prior conceptions were correct. So here, we have 1, 2, should it be 1, 2, 3? So it has to be 1, 2, 3 in the, so there has to be 3 dots here. There has to be 3 dots here, but there's a lot of answers with 3 dots. So I'm very sussed out. Let me see. So here, um, uh, so could it be, so does this rotate? Rotate. Ah, rotate. It's a rotation. So it has to be F. Yes. Okay, so here we have another slider. Let's see, slider goes here, so it rotates bottom right, and then rotates, 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 rotates. So it has to be B. Okay, so here it's like a clock, right? So it moves by 7.5 minutes first, and then it moves by 15 minutes, 7.5 minutes, and then 15 minutes, 7.5 minutes, and then it has to move by 15 minutes. So it has to be at 9:45. Yes. Okay. So here we have two. We have plus. Oh, so it has to be the same here. So equal plus plus. This is okay. So here it has to be adding a horizontal and a vertical. So here it has to be adding a horizontal and a vertical, which turns into this. So here it has to be adding a horizontal and a vertical, which means it has to be C. Okay, all right, so here we have a circle. All right, we have plus, 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 and we have circle, circle. So plus, 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 4 dots, 4 dots, square, right? So if this pattern repeats, it's square, like talking about diagonal wise, okay? It's square, 4 dots, plus square, it has to be 4 dots, all right? So since it has to be 4, it's either A or F, and since it's either A or F, well, could it possibly be the plus sign, right? Well, not quite, because it seems like the plus sign is only in this one diagonal, right? And even if it repeated, it wouldn't repeat that fast. So therefore, it would have to be A by process of elimination. Okay, so here we have so we have a Z, all right, and then we have a kite, maybe. Is that a line? Oh, how are these lines organized? Let me see. So here, it would be uh, 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 is it a rotate and a minus? Or is it a rotate and a transient? Wait, but this one, it just added a vertical line, right? Wait, and this one, it just adds a vertical line. Wait, so both of these are adding a vertical line, but these are not adding a vertical line. So it must be a false flag. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Am I stupid? C, D, I, 2, B, C. Am I retarded? I think it has. I'm sorry. I have to take the L. I have to take the L on that one. I can't. Sorry, I can't figure it out. Okay, so okay, we have squares. Okay, so square. Oh, this is the one that's missing, right? It's the line that's missing. Oh, and then together it makes this, right? So here, but wait, but these are the sides that are missing, right? Wait, so for this one, it has to be A. Yeah. Okay, so we have a table. I'm going to call this lunch table. All right. Okay, 13 minutes. 13 minutes. I can still do this. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Thinking about this. Thinking about this. Okay, so here we have squares like moving closer to circle because they're in love. Okay. So well, let's see. Square is moving, but then square eats circle. Oh my God, the square is eating the circle. Yeah. Yeah, it has to be E. Okay. So here we have um okay, we have three shapes. Okay, I know that there's three shapes. I know that for this diagonal there's two triangles. Wait, did this square turn into a triangle? Did this square turn into a triangle? Wait, square turn into a triangle into a square? No, it can't be. That's not possible. That's impossible! Wait. What? Wait, hold on. There's no pattern. Am I not figuring it out somehow? No. No, I have to skip another one. No, it can't be. I have to skip another one. It's over. It's fucking over. Okay. All right. So here we have a rotation. Okay. But then this one plus this. Oh, I've seen this one before. The last time I remember. I remember. Is this one plus this one equals this one, right? Because you're combining the two together. Yeah. Wait. Hold on. Yes. So it's this one plus this one equals a full star, right? So this one plus this one plus this one is a full star. This one plus this one equals a full star. So therefore this is just missing one, right? It's like a... How did these get so hard? How... How did these get so hard? Oh my god, is this my limit? Is this as far as I can go? Is this where my limit is? Is this where my power level is capped? Wait. But I know that this plus this equals this. I know! I know that is the case! I get it now. It cancels each other out. I was looking at it from the wrong way. If there's a line there already, it cancels it out. I get it now. So this line and this line cancels it out. And then here and here it combines together. But then there's no intersection here. So it cancels it out. So this plus this one can only be this one. So therefore if it's like this, so therefore it can only be Wait, am I right? Wait, yeah, there has to be at this angle, right? And this cancels out. But then this also cancels out, right? It's F. Oh my god, that was so difficult. What the fuck? Okay. All right. Okay, so okay, thank God. Okay, but fuck, I wasted too much time on that one. So here we have circle, 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 circle. Wait. These and this are identical, but that's a false flag, isn't it? I don't think that part actually matters. Right? Wait, it adds a circle here. But what am I missing? What's the missing piece? 2, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. A no answer is better than fuck it. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So here. Okay, I'm okay. All right, so here we have plus lines. So this line plus this line equals this line. This line plus this line, it cancels out. So therefore it results in this line. So this line plus this line equals what line? Oh, okay, I see. I see where the logic is. Yeah, so this circle is inclusive, right? So circle, 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 circle. So there's a circle here. Circle, 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 circle. So therefore there is a circle here. So the circles are inclusive, but the lines are exclusive. So therefore the answer must be the answer must be F. Yes, it has to be. Brain blast. Wait, acute? Acute? Right triangle? Right angle? Super acute? Right angle? Super acute. Acute. Super acute. So this one has to be right angle, right? It has to be right angle. And then the circle, the way the circle is rotating is clockwise? Yes. Yes. It has to be. It's A. Okay. All right. Okay, we're back on track. We're back during Brain Blast moments, okay? We're back on Brain Blast. Okay. All right. Oh my god. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. So here, so it combines, so this plus this, so it excludes the ones where it actually does match up, right? So here, this is why it includes this part. Ah, this is a really easy one, hopefully. Okay, so here, this plus this equals this. If you exclude the parts where it cancels out, right? So this one plus this one, it has to be, so there has to be a bottom line, right? I wish I got a pen and paper. Hold on. The bottom line. Ah, it's A. Okay. Um, sorry. Okay, so here we have two blocks moving over, and they both became black. Is this a racial tension allegory? Hold on. So this is two blocks, and then two blocks here. What about it's stacked? So it stacks right here, and then the three. Wait, there's always two blocks here. There's always two blocks here. No? No, no, no. That pattern doesn't make sense. Red herring, red herring, red herring. Okay, hold on. So there's two columns. Is one moving to the other column? Like, is this, like, does black always try to stay on one side, but then whites will always move because it's segregated neighborhoods? Wait, hold on. So, am I overthinking this? Am I stupid? Wait. I have to go to the next question. I have to go to the next question. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here, this one. Okay. So here. So this one. Wait, so that's impossible. It's not possible. Wait, hold on. Is that a penis? What is that? What is that thing? Oh my god. Hold on. There's no pattern! Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Alright, cool, I guess. Oh. Oh. Okay, I got 112. Okay, we're done. Hey, that's higher than 105. Yay! I increased by 7 IQ points. Okay. Okay, what has everybody been saying? She's just speedrunning. No, that's not. No, it wasn't speedrun whatsoever. It was getting harder and harder. She cheated and looked at chat the whole time? No. That is so not true, dude. Okay. That orange circle is meant to be a cursor highlighter? Wait, really? Which is equivalent to the 79 percentile. Oh, so I'm like top... How do I measure this again? Fuck. Standard deviation of 15. Okay. Hey, thank you so much for the 5 gifted. I appreciate that. Okay, this was terrible content. I'm a guy.
What? Fuck.
Hey, thank you so much, Ari. Oh my god. Guys, can we please get a W? Can we please get a W for Ari, okay? Fat W's in the chat for Ari, please. For Misaki. Oh, highlighter for the top menu? Okay, I see. Oh my god, I was sweating. That was intense. That was intense, dude. Dude, I think everyone should go and take this test so then we can all compare. We should make an IQ. Oh my god, can someone get Winter? Can someone get Winter to take this test? Someone get Winter to take this test ASAP. Okay?